cases. That's more than 16,000 total. Tonight, we remember a man from Clinton, Iowa, who died from COVID-19. Richard Reid died in November. His granddaughter is a traveling nurse who remembers him as a loving man. Local 4's Michaela Hushal reports his death hits close to home for the healthcare worker.
He just was such a good guy. You know, there are just some people that are just kind.
A granddaughter remembers her grandpa, 88-year-old Richard Reid from Clinton, who died from COVID complications in November.
He was so stubborn. Anything he didn't want to do, he'd tell you, I'm 90 years old, I'm not going to do that. You know?
Amanda Peters from Clinton says he was a hard-working family man.
He built everything that he had in his life himself and loved his kids and all of his family, his grandkids and his great-grandkids, you know, more than probably anything else.
Peters is a traveling nurse who has witnessed firsthand the heartbreak caused by the pandemic, which made this a hard loss.
You feel so helpless, especially as a nurse when your drive all the time is just to try to fix everything.
She's used social media to spread a message during the pandemic. This post reading, "We're nurses and we're tired. Keep us safe, guys."
It does feel really heavy sometimes. Our healthcare workers are carrying a really heavy mental burden right now.
She's encouraging people to do the right thing.
We have to keep doing what we've been doing all along to keep each other safe. There's no other way to do it.
And she hopes those that loved her grandpa remember his positive attitude.
You know, being quick with a smile and a joke. You don't know how much of a difference those little things like that make in someone else's life.
Michaela Hushal, Local 4 News.
We have all the stories from this week online at ourquadcities.com.